What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. It is day 4 here of the 5-day challenge. We got a lot of work to do. Today, we're gonna start installing the decorators decking. Stay tuned, make sure you hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe.
Let's go.
On my way.
Watch out.
What are you doing?
You're hitting me with the board.
You're getting hit with the board.
You're hitting me with the board. There you go. Just pretend I'm not even here. All right, so we got our Costa boards getting set up here. We're gonna start installing them here. We have one that needs to be notched around this bar area, and then we can start with our clips and just run them. We're gonna get all these installed today.
All of them installed.
Whoa, hey, watch out. Hey, you almost, how you making out with the staining, bud?
Well, let me tell you something about staining, bud. It's Monday. I had a small coffee this morning. Maybe it was a mistake. Maybe I should have gone for the big boy. Because I'm a big boy and I need a lot of go-go juice to get going. Right now, I don't know where I'm at. Am I still sleeping? Am I at work? Doesn't matter, I still get paid the same.
Getting these boards in. And you can see Ant applying pressure to this, making sure our spacing stays nice and consistent. And we just go down this first row, and then we'll go back and screw everything else in. And there he goes. This literally only took about an hour and a half, and we have all of our field boards down, looking quite beautiful. Next step will be cutting in our borders, getting those installed, and then we can start working on the back side of this bar. How you making out with the staining, bud?
Oh, hi, didn't see you there. We're making everything brown, because currently everything is not brown. We would like it to be. So we're gonna brown it up.
Now that we have all these screws in, you can see they're all lined up beautifully with this chalk line. We're gonna snap another line, and that's gonna be our cut line for our track saw, so that we can slip in that border. It's gonna look beautiful. Making our marks for our cuts. We're gonna be using a 7 1/4 Kaya board here. So we're gonna make that mark at 6 1/4 because we have an inch overhang.
Correct.
Look at that cute little square. Adorable. So now we have our 2 marks here. We're just gonna snap another line here, and that's what we're gonna use to line up our track, make this cut, and we'll see how beautifully straight this thing is. I know I'll get some comments. Hey, idiot, why don't you put down the camera and help him? Because
I don't want you to help.
he wants to show how easy this is. One person. I can never please some of you people, I swear. So we are lining up our track here. This is my favorite tool. I love watching Ant use this. But we have a couple different size tracks. We have 118-inch track here, which is great for our longer cuts. This is a 55-inch track. This is what comes with the Amazon package. I think it's about $4.99 for the saw and a track and a case. Well worth it. Again,
Totally
link is in the description for that. All right, let's see. Woo! And what do we have here? We have flashing tape that has not been cut through. Not cut. You can see this tiny little bit of the board still left on there. It's exactly what we want. Beautiful. This one was just cut perfect. Cut all the way through the board, but did not hit that flashing tape. It's amazing. The depth setting on this thing is beautiful. Now we're just gonna slide this down and cut the rest of it. You can see how it lines up. It cuts right up against this edge, so it's really easy to line up. Beautiful. Again, not cutting our flashing tape. That's just a thing of absolute beauty. How's the staining going?
You know, but I'm sorry.
Why?
My attitude is no good. It just feels like I'm in an endless cycle of staining. And then staining. And then staining. And I'm losing it. Oh, there he goes. I'm not even here right now.
We've got a really nice corner detail here. You can see how this runs past, and then we have this little return on here. So I'm gonna show you how we do that. Ant's working on his piece right now. And this is gonna go right over here. And this edge is gonna wrap around and we'll have that tiny little return. Make some minor adjustments. Look at that nice notch there. Whoa, whoa, very nice. There we go. Now we just cut that little piece. That's our little corner piece that we're gonna have. There's our little piece. Now how are we gonna fasten that?
2P10.
2P10. Beautiful. You're not even gonna see that behind here, but you know what? That's just what we do. So now we get to 2P10, get it fastened in. Okay, we got a nice fit. Now we've got the 2P10, and this is the activator. This is also in my Amazon store.
Nice.
I'm gonna put it in there before I upload this video. This stuff's really cool. It works really great with these mineral-based composites. Look at that. Couple seconds, and it grabs, and it is locked in for justice now. I'm gonna show you how we make these folded corners here. How's the standing going, bud?
It was good until the Foo Fighters popped on the radio. Now I'm about to lose my gosh darn mind, bro.
You don't like them?
Oh my God.
All right, so here is how we're gonna make these folded corners. We have 2 of these mitered like that. To what degree?
A little heavy 45.
This way, the back's not gonna hold up the front from being tight. If anything, the back will be a tiny bit open. So, what do we got there?
2P10 activator.
Activator. This is a mineral-based composite here. This works great on 2P10 on the other side. And you don't need a whole lot. You just need a little line of it. Easy peasy, baby. And now we'll do this in real time. In about 10 seconds. And just like that. Look at that. That amazes me. It freaking blows my mind. I love it. Now it's locked in for justice, baby. We'll also put in some screws so that it's really locked in, and then we'll install it on the deck. What do you got there? Whoa, he's got a couple lights. What do we got here? We got the Zucchio spotlight here. Guess where you get these?
Walmart.
Where do we get these?
The Amazon store.
We do. I've been using these for many years actually off Amazon. I have these at my house also, and they've also been on for about 3 years, 24/7. Still have not gone out, and they're really affordable. It's a nice light. For the price, it's an awesome light. So we use them a lot. Because this way we can put in like 25 of them, and it's reasonably priced, so that's why we love them. All right, so I'm hooking up a couple of these spotlights on the outside here, and what I did, made a custom little bugger here. Cut some PVC pipe and glued it the frick on top of there and spray painted it black. Because what I want to do, these are already illuminated by the LED strip lights. I want to have a nice clean beam of light between these. So Josh thought it was a stupid idea. He said, that's so dumb, you idiot. So
I was a YouTube hater in real life.
Josh was a real life YouTube hater. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is run a little experiment. We've got this custom bugger I made, and then we've got the regular one. And we're gonna see what it looks like at night. See which one looks better. I think my custom low guy is gonna look cooler because I think it's gonna be the perfect effect right here. These things will glow, and then you'll have this nice little, you know, beam of light going in there. So you can also see how easy these connectors are to use. These are in my Amazon store along with this lighting. The Amazon store is mostly lighting and tools, but we really use them. I wanna see if I can make more than, like, I don't know, a couple dollars. Anyway, I've only made like $12 so far. So you might hear me stop talking about the Amazon page. Anyway, these connectors are really cool. We've got these hooked onto the ends on there nice and good, and then you just split your lead wire. And then this is a pierce point connector. There we go. Locked in for justice. And now we've got this other one here. Make sure this goes on the opposite side. It's your little wire guide. Pop this thing on here like so. Okay, got this tightened down on here. Now it's hooked up, and we're just gonna wait to see what it looks like at night. I think this is gonna be a real winner. I'm pretty happy with it. It looks pretty cool. But you're not really gonna see the fixture. The fixture is gonna be behind the hedges here. You're just gonna see what the fixture does, which is illuminate this. It's like a paintbrush. Sometimes you want a wide brush, sometimes you want a thin brush. This is gonna be a thin brush, that's gonna be a wide brush. It's like Bob Ross here. We want a happy little beam of light, and I think this one is gonna get the job done here, but I've never tried this before, so what the heck, right? We'll check it out, and we'll report back. So that's it for day 4 here. One more day of the 5-day challenge tomorrow. We got most of the staining done today. That's probably one of the biggest things that has slowed us down is all the staining, so we're almost done with that. We've got almost all the lighting in. I'm really excited to see what this looks like at night with these 2 different spotlights that we've hooked up. So we'll see what we can do tomorrow. It's not impossible. I think we can do it. So stay tuned. Make sure you hit subscribe and subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. And until next time, this is Premier Outdoor Living.